you are creating a supply chain agent to make
Yeah.
the inventory decisions,
Yeah.
right? The agent is looking at the demand forecasts
Yeah.
and also looking at the supplier lead time to autonomously adjust the reorder levels. That's what your
Correct.
agent is doing.
Yes.
Now, when you are designing these systems, you need to see that how accurately it is making correct inventory decisions that meets not only the customer demand and also minimizing your costs. So
Absolutely.
you are considering two factors, right? One
Hmm.
is meeting the customer demand and other
Yeah.
is minimizing the cost. That's where I
Yeah.
said you are not only looking at one metric,
Yeah.
while trying to optimize one metric, try to meet the other metrics that are required at an organizational level.
Got it.
The second important thing is that when you talk about humans and
Hmm.
also the agents,
Hmm.
right? Most of the times when you are building the agentic AI system, you are trying to give the full autonomy from the day one, right?
Correct.
And let me explain you more on how agentic AI works. This is important, right? When you
Yeah.
talk about autonomy, it basically tells you that the capability of an agent to make a decision. That's what we call it as autonomy. When you
Yeah.
talk about agency, agency means the capability of an agent to act on a decision. Say, for example, actually making an order after figuring out what is the demand that is required.
Yeah.
Authority, which is nothing but whether your agent has a permission to make a decision or
Hmm.
act on a decision.
Or maybe on
These are the three
purchases or
important things.
inventory
Correct.
management of, yeah.
Right. Say, for example, you designed a workflow where
Yeah.
every agents can make both decisions and also it can act on them.
Yeah.
When you launch those in production, what you need to do is that you need to run these agents in the shadow mode, not on the primary mode, until
Okay.
these agents start working in a right way so that they can meet your organizational risk appetite. You need to gradually increase the autonomy and
Yeah.
agency. Once your agent start making the right decisions and actions,
Yeah.
when you believe your system is reliable, that's when you need to increase the autonomy to the highest level.